Pistol.
Welcome to Simply CM's channel. I really don't know what to say. I don't understand why you're here. But when you're here, watch the video, like, subscribe, do whatever you want. Whatever you want. That's it.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today is Sunday. At dahil Sunday, day off ko, kaya video na naman tayo. And actually, a bit later, we will have some visitors na pupunta dito and we're gonna have dinner together. So that's why medyo nag-ayos-ayos ako konti ng aking mukha, guys. Hindi pa ganun ka-dry yung buhok ko, but it's fine. And I put a little bit makeup on. I have to go to work tomorrow, so yon. And then they're gonna be here, I think, in half an hour or 15 minutes. And yeah, and I cleaned the house. It's not perfect, but I think it's way better than before. I've been productive today, guys. Like naglinis ako and nag-arrange ako ng table. Hindi ako ganun talaga kagaling sa mga, alam mo yun, yung mga table arrangement, ganyan-ganyan. But I did my best and it's fine. I'll show you yung aking mga pinagagawa. And here, tingnan nyo, I'm watching a YouTube video. And ano siya, YouTube, sa sister ko siya. And watching, first time ko siyang i-watch kasi kaka-upload lang nila. And they're doing this Korean, I don't know, Korean thing there. So, yun. Nasawa ko busy sa kaluluto. And yeah, I'll show you sa aking mga pinagagawa dito sa bahay na medyo luminis na ng konti. Aming ano guys, parang living room namin. And maliit lang siya kasi kami lang naman dalawa ni Martin. And yeah, naglinis ako ng konti. There, living room namin. And ito yung TV, konti lang. At tsaka kita nyo yung mga wire na yan. Ewan ko paano linisin yan. And I have to find a way para ma-hide yan. Pero for now, hindi siya pwedeng ma-hide. So there you go. Yung mga square-square na yan, guys, dyan ko nilalagay ang aming mga damit-damit. And some of the clothes were actually hanging there sa statue. Kasi maliit lang yung aming place, but it's okay kasi kaming dalawa lang din naman. And then there you go, ang aming malaking window. Yan lang yung malaking window sa aming apartment, guys. And so I put candles on, so parang cozy-cozy ang dating. Tapos ito yung parang office-office ni Martin. And yeah, dyan ako umuupo lagi pag nagko-computer ako. And then those two boxes there, wala pa akong lalagyan. At titingnan pa namin kung ano yung mga dapat itapon or hindi itapon. And then I'm gonna find a way to actually hide those. So there. Tapos dito naman, isang konting ganyan lang is yung aming table na kung saan kami kakain. And maraming mga ganyan-ganyan guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano yan tanggalin, but it's fine. Kami-kami lang din naman dito. And then niline up ko yung candles dyan. And I'll light it later na pagdating nila. Tapos yan yung tapos may extra bed kami dito. Pero pag pumupunta dito yung mga anak ni Martin, ginagamit yan. And pag hindi naman, so ginagawa ko siyang parang sofa. Ito naman ay ang extra gift wrapping paper nung last year na Christmas at hindi ko tinapon kasi medyo kuripot ako, guys. And madami pa naman siyang sobra, so magagamit siya this year. This is the fireplace at hindi namin siya ginagamit right now kasi hindi naman ganun ka ginaw. Yun. Tapos a little mga bookshelf there. Diyan yung papuntang out na. Hello guys, umalis na yung aming mga bisita. And then now, it's actually 12:30 in the evening. Yeah, 12:30 in the evening. And na ako. I'm preparing to go to sleep. And right now is relaxing muna kami. Upo-upo muna. And I've already changed clothes na para comfortable ako when I get to the bed. And yung si Martin ko, andito, serious face. Serious talaga yung pagmumukha. Anything you wanna say? Anything you wanna say? Say something.
Silence speak more than words.
Duh. So yun guys, and then by the way, yesterday was October 31, and that was actually the day na nagkita kami ni Martin for the first time 10 years ago. So, yeah, 10 years kaming, 10 years na kaming magkakilala. So, we went out actually yesterday. We eat out just to celebrate yung parang anniversary ng pagkakilala namin for 10 years. So, medyo matagal-tagal na din kami magkasama ni Martin last. Yeah. I was 23 at that time, and now I'm 33. I mean, if you really think about it, guys, the time really went so fast. It seems like it just happened yesterday, and it's like 10 years already. That's like, whoa. So yon, and it was a good night. We had dinner with our newfound friends today, and Martin made really good food. The steak, which is favorite ko na siya now, and yeah, and tomorrow I have to go to work. So yun, yeah, yun lang yung aking buhay-buhay dito ngayon guys. And right now hindi masyado ganun kaganda yung lightning kasi paggabi na, yung light namin is parang yellowish siya. Ewan ko ba, yun yung gusto ng mga Danish sa Pinas, yung mga light na ginagamit natin normally sa bahay namin, it's like the white light, like kita mo talaga lahat. And dito, iba yung sa kanila, mas gusto nila yung parang yellow na color. Kasi parang cozy daw, yung parang nakaka-relax, ganyan. So, yeah, kaya medyo yellow yung nakikita niya sa akin ngayon. Kita pa yung mga damit yan, oh. So, yun talaga guys. Yun, at saka guys ba, yung channel natin, ano bang nangyayari? Uy, talaga siya, yung parang mga subscribers, nagma-minus talaga ng sobra. Pero it's fine, ganun nga talaga siguro, but I'll just continue what I'm doing. And guys, as I said, every time na nag-watch kayo ng video ko and you leave a comment, and also gonna do the same sa mga channels ninyo. And as I said, it may take a while kasi nga busy-busy tayo sa ating buhay-buhay dito. But if I get the time, I always make sure na yung lahat na nagko-comment dun sa videos ko, binivisit ko din yung channels nila at nagko-comment din ako. So yun guys, parang lang talaga, suportahan lang talaga para naman ma-progress itong ating mga channelans. So yun, and it's na dito, pa-winter na dito sa Denmark guys, kaya na siya, ang tawag nun, parang dumidilim-dilim na. As early as 4 in the afternoon, madilim-dilim na siya guys, so parang nakakatamad talagang kumilos. Then it's fine. So yun, tomorrow work na naman tayo, and parang I think straight ako ng work Monday to Friday. Yeah, and tomorrow it's gonna be 8 to 4, and then the next day, Tuesday, it would be 6 in the morning, and then off ng 4, so that's like 10 hours of work, but it's fine, I can do that, no problem. So yeah, I hope you guys had a very, very good day today, just like what I had. I've actually been really productive. I cleaned the house. Yeah, I've cleaned the house. That's what I did the whole day today. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've had a very good day.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. You're animating prints principal is nowhere to be seen.